5 years ago, we launched the Automation Pro series, helping thousands of builders grow their skills and master the Workato platform. Since then, Workato has expanded capabilities, unlocked new possibilities, and brought you Workato ONE, our unified approach to integrate systems, orchestrate data, and drive business transformation through AI and agentic workflows. And as Workato evolves, so does the way we help you grow your skills. So say goodbye to the Automation Pro series and welcome your new learning journey that begins with Workato Foundations. Foundations Level 1 builds on Automation Pro 1 and 2 and introduces more on Workato core platform architecture, solution design frameworks, and recipe design best practices. Foundations Level 2 expands upon Automation Pro 3 and introduces the power of one platform and how it supports the pillars of our BOAT framework, business orchestration and automation technologies. iPaaS, data orchestration, APIM, BPA, and AI agentic workflows. After completing Foundations 1 and 2, you'll be ready to advance to the associate level, where you'll undergo a series of courses and have your skills formally validated through various certifications. Workato Developer Certification and the upcoming Workato Platform Owner Certification. From there, the path is yours. As you progress, you can specialize in one of the Workato BOAT pillars, first as a developer and an architect. These specializations will be released later. No matter where you are, whether you're just starting out, building as a developer, or designing like an architect, it all begins here. Start your journey with Workato Foundations today.